Hey, Tim Jump here at Heyward Toyota. Just want to thank you for checking out the 2016 Toyota 4Runner Limited that we just got in. This vehicle has just over 40,000 miles, one owner. It was originally bought here. It has been serviced regularly and well taken care of, garage kept actually. Gentlemen, this is kind of one of those vehicles that, you know, it's always been in a garage, well maintained. Clean Carfax. This is a full drive. Of course, it has the sunroof up there. You kind of see the perforated leather seats, and of course that back window lets down on the full, like all 4Runners, which is pretty great for longer items. It does have the heated seats, memory driver's seat feature, navigation. This has the JBL upgraded sound system. It's got the parking sonar. Like I said, there's the memory seats down there. Anyway, once again, this is Tim Jump at Heyward Toyota. We look forward to earning your business. If you have any extra questions about this vehicle or are interested in coming by and taking a test drive, give us a call here at 706-549-7002. It won't last too long, so hurry up.